Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, we are here with another episode of Chainsaw Man, and I'm on the 8th episode of it, and this one is called Gunfire. Just Gunfire? I don't know. After what happened in the last episode, I can't even get my mind off of it. I just can't. Freaking throw up on his mouth there. Holy frick. Yay, so yeah, I don't know what to say. All I can think of is watching the episode. What? Gunfire? Is there like a devil with his head is like a machine gun or something? It'd be cool to see one though. So yeah, I'm pretty curious to see this episode. So if you guys are new to the channel here, make sure you are subscribed. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out this episode. Damn. Did Denji passed out? Oh no. It's her again. What's her name? I forgot her name. I forgot when after I searched it up though. I think it starts with an H. What the frick are you doing? Denji just passed out. What's her name with the blindfold on? Her. She made out with him. She just made out with Denji in the restaurant. Which is, I was surprised that I did not like see what was coming there. So I wasn't prepared for that. She went off to shower. Shower's drunk. I don't know if she is. She's probably still drunk because she carried Denji on her back. I think this is a preview of what happened in the last episode at the end. What were you gonna ask Makima? Oh my gosh. Oh, and you're just you're just gonna go back and have fun with Denji. There's your kiss there. I don't know. I don't know what to say about what happened in the last episode. I mean, and also, why the frick would he swallowed her throw up? Like, I would be sick as well if someone had to do that in front of me. Oh my gosh! At least they censored it so that people won't feel comfortable seeing throw up. I'm just glad they censored it. Do most people call Makima Akia? Aki? Makima, I don't know. I'll just call her Makima. Because she is, it's a normal name anyways. Unless it's a Japanese name translated with a word. So, they're in bed together. To whisper something. Do what? Do what? Do what? Oh my gosh, I don't like the way she says that. Do what? What do you do? I'm asking that. I'm asking that. Why am I blushing right now? Holy frick. You can't see it because of this. Oh my god. Reverse good. I can't read. I'm just gonna read the subtitles. What's going on? I'm just not gonna see what's going. Are they freaking right now? Oh my gosh. What do you? Okay, no, no. Oh my gosh. What do you? What? Yeah. Bruh. She gave you that? Oh. That's why. That's why it's in your pocket. Why would you put it in your pocket? Unwrappedly. Jeez. I can't even speak right now. Oh my gosh. Like them making out and then she puked on him was it may be I can't even stop thinking about it though. Oh. That's your thing. She passed out as well. Wow. Oh, her name's Porchita? I thought it starts with an H. I don't know. That's like when I searched up the characters, I thought her name was like Kirimo. I don't know. I'll find out later. Are you gonna tell her? Oh my gosh. Super lover. Damn. I mean, everybody saw what you did. Oh. Okay. If I'm blinking weird, I'm wearing glasses for this reaction. Well, I might have to wear them every single day now. So if you see me if you see me blinking a little weird, that's why I'm wearing glasses. I sometimes blind react to other anime because I like when I see something in the background, I don't see it at all. What the? What the frick? Wait, hold on. She's not dead, right? There's no way she's dead, right? She could come back to life because she's a devil. Because I heard of that in the death battle video that I watched. There's no way she dies, right? I don't know. I'll find out. I was not surprised. I did not see that coming there. Why is everyone pulling out guns? What the heck? Um, did they kill the devil hunters? What the frick was that? Oh, what the? I guess that's why it's called Gunfire. Oh my gosh. What the frick is that? Is that Blade Man or something? What the frick? His head is a blade. One more hit? Okay, I guess he's dead. Anybody gonna check up on Denji? I think he... The Cursed Devil. What? What the... Who are you? What the... What the heck? Terrifying. What? What is this? Whoa. Whoa. That is a lot of hands there. Yeesh. Oh, there goes her arm. No, she is not. What the heck? Oh my gosh. She disappeared. She disappeared. I guess she used it all. Well, this is the only this is the last episode she is appearing. Gosh, I did not expect that would happen there. Yeesh. Alright, so after what happened in the bar, yeah, let's forget what happened to them and Denji. That was crazy there. I'm not gonna lie. That was really crazy there. So yeah, that was episode 8 of Chainsaw Man. I'm gonna try my best to finish it up. I still got Spy Family to finish up. I'm only like a couple episodes of finishing season 1, so yeah, just give me some time so that I can finish it. So if you do make it to the end of this video here, I really, really appreciate it. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.